Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I deep condition my super dried hair. And my hair has been really dried because I haven't been taking care of my hair like I should. Ever since I had my child, it's been really stressful and I really don't have that much time for my hair. And I've been wearing my hair like this for close to 6 weeks now, and I haven't been using my satin cap. I've been sleeping with my cornrow like that. That has made my hair really dried. So I'm going to show you first how I took out the cornrow, because when I tried to take them out while they were dried, it was really tangling and painful. So I had to wet my hair with water so I can be able to detangle, so I can be able to take out the cornrow. So guys, I went ahead and washed my hair with the Nioxin System 1 shampoo for fine hair. So I'm going to deep condition my hair with a mixture of coconut oil and the Nioxin Scalp Therapy System 1 conditioner for fine hair. I like to mix my conditioner with oil. It can be coconut oil or olive oil. Any oil that works for my hair is what I like to use, and this helps my hair to feel softer and easy to detangle as well. So if you want to try this out, you can either try it out with any oil of your choice.
Make we go, whoa. Come make we go, yeah. Come make we go, whoa. Come make we go, I'm ready now. Oh yeah, baby, come on, sorry, wa gba wọlé gba síbẹ̀. Oh yeah, baby, come on, sorry, wa gba wọlé gba síbẹ̀. Oh yeah, baby, come on, sorry, wa gba wọlé gba síbẹ̀. Oh yeah, baby, come on, sorry, wa gba wọlé gba síbẹ̀. Oh na 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 na.
The problem I have with my hair is that my coils are very tight, which makes my hair to easily tangle a lot. So what I like to do is to finger detangle my hair first before going in with a comb, so my hair won't break that much.
But they in the building, hey, is that easy? This music, hey, hey, baby dance ya, ole ya, many music they to play, dance ya, ole ya, baby dance ya, ole ya, this music no go stop to play, dance ya, ole ya. If you my flow, oh yeah, make you take a slow. It's okay, if you my flow, no
like player. Oh yeah, Joe for me, my lady. Oh yeah, come on, let my Joe love. Baby dance ya, oh leya. So they play me like player. Oh yeah, Joe for me, my lady. Oh yeah, come on, let my Joe love. Yes, mama, turn your swag on. Cause I spit fire like a dragon on the dance floor. You know you kill all. Call the DJ spin all. They be asking what's my name. They be asking, say what's my name. Oh na 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 na. Oh na 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 na.
Baby dance ya, ole ya. Many music they to play. Dance ya, ole ya. Baby dance ya, ole ya. This music no go stop to play.
So after detangling my hair, I went ahead and put it in 4 big twists, and then I covered it up with a shower cap and waited for about 30 minutes before washing it off. Now that my hair is fully washed and deep conditioned, I'm going to use a mixture of the Mercy Dead Sea Styling and Moisturizing Cream for coily hair together with my Mamiya Organics Argan Growth Oil to moisturize my hair.
I got this one that you need. Yeah, this girl you are killing. The beauty so undeniable, baby girl. One day till the morning, cause I want to spend cash money. Next time I consume champagne, no, not time for darling. Give it to me more. Music's playing, everybody dance, everybody feel the same. Baby dance ya, ole ya. Many music there to play. Dance ya, ole ya. Baby dance ya, ole ya. This music no go stop to play. Dance ya, ole ya. Oh yeah, come on, if he my flow, oh yeah, make you take a slow. It's okay, if he my flow, do for me, my baby. Marabale, if he my flow, come on, make you take a slow. Come on, if he my flow, do for me, my baby. Ha ha.
It's fake kills.
One time.
Standard.
Baby. One time. It's got to be. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them I come, them I feel alive. One by one. Them I step in on me yard, them I enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh, yeah. Go low. Man, I tell him, me them go slow. Them I feeling on my vibe and see the girl, them go down. Ooh, wee. Run the show down. Oh, yeah. See the girl, them go down. Ooh, wee. And a bad man run the show. Now, yeah.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger.
Now me run and see.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one.
So guys, that is it for this tutorial. Please let me know in the comment section what video you like me to do next on natural hair, and I'll gladly do it. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
See the girl, them a slow. Bad man.
Loving you, na scam.
Smith your banks.
Okay.
Every time, why am I money? Hello, baby, have you sent it? You don't even know what you do to me. So I call a show, yeah. All I'm gonna get you is scammer. I get for